In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to assign people in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're managing a small team or running large projects, assigning the right people to the right tasks is essential for staying organized and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. The good news is that Monday.com makes this incredibly simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through how to add a people column if you don't already have one, and then how to assign one or multiple team members to any task on your board. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your board in Monday.com where you want to assign tasks. The key feature we'll be using is called the People column. This is the column that allows you to assign team members to specific items or tasks. Take a look at your board and check whether you already see a column with profile pictures, user avatars, or a label like Assign. If you see that, perfect. You're ready to move on to assigning people. If you don't see a people column, don't worry. Adding one only takes a few seconds. Go to the far right side of your board where you see the option that says plus add column. Click on that. A menu will appear with different column types that you can add to your board. In the search bar, type in people. You'll see an option called people column. Click on it and it will instantly be added to your board. Now you have the people column set up and ready to use. You can also customize it depending on your workflow. For example, some boards allow you to assign only one person per task, while others let you assign multiple team members. If you want to adjust this, click on the column settings, usually found in the three-dot menu in the column header, and review the assignment options available to you. Now let's assign someone to a task. Go to the specific row, also known as an item, that you want to assign. Click inside the cell under the people column for that row. As soon as you click, a drop-down list of your team members will appear. This list includes everyone who has access to the board or workspace depending on your setup. To assign someone, simply click on their name. Once selected, their profile picture or initials will appear inside that cell. That means the task is now officially assigned to them. It's that simple. If your people column allows multiple assignments, you can click again and select additional team members. This is especially useful for collaborative tasks where more than one person is responsible. Each selected person will appear in the same cell, making it clear who is involved. Assigning people also improves visibility across your team. Assigned members typically receive notifications, and you can filter your board by person to quickly see who is responsible for what. This makes project tracking much more efficient and helps with accountability. And that's how you assign people in Monday.com. As you can see, once your people column is in place, assigning tasks takes just a couple of clicks. It's a small action that makes a big difference in keeping your projects organized and your team aligned. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.